So here I'm in the room and I got the room very quickly. There was no wait time. I'm just come here and the doctor checked me and said about my rashes that they look normal. Sometimes you get rashes but you don't know what the reason could be. So here they're checking my blood pressure and all. Everything looks normal. And I'm in the room. I'm just watching some TV. I'm just sitting and relaxing. I dropped the kiddos to school just now. So I've just come here and they said they would poke some IV and give me some steroids for some itching because it's been more than a week since I'm complaining and I can see near my neck also. The nurse came and will put some IV over here. They've taken some blood work. So here they'll put an IV and after that I think I can go home and I have to go and get some medication from Walmart. So I'll go to Walmart pharmacy. This was it and it was very painful. So here they gave me some medication which I had and the one got dissolved because I could not eat well. So I need to ask them to give me one more. Then they gave me some crackers to eat. Here are the salted crackers, Zesta. And here they have given me IV, which is going through my arm. And it is over here. So here's the IV back of me. So here I'm out of the emergency room and I'm out in the parking lot. I'm trying to pick up my prescription. So we can be in a car and we can pick up the prescription because they say that you can stand here and they have signs. See, they have signs saying that reserved RX for pickup, please call. And you need to wait here. The pharmacy will bring you the medicine and then I'll go home. When I asked the doctor what could be the reason for these rashes, the doctor said there could be so many reasons, so nothing specific. It really happens. Everything was normal in me, but they said just have some steroids and that will help me get rid of them and they can calm down. So this was it and I'm just waiting for the pharmacist lady to come and drop off my prescription. So here's all the fall decor which has already come into Walmart. So fall is going to come soon. I got my prescription. It said that it was $5.23, but I didn't have to pay anything because I have a good insurance and it is $0. So here I'm parked the car very far from my house because the people are doing some construction near the house. So I had to park my car in a different parking which is very far. So I'm just walking home. The doctor's visit was not that bad actually. And the doctor told the rashes can be because of anything, because of the weather, because of the climate, some grass, some walking or so here I've come to my house and I'm going to go inside the house. So here I am to the house and now I'll just go inside the house. People are still doing was so tiring, and I'm so tired. I'll just go take a shower and make some good breakfast, because it's been since last evening I didn't eat anything, so I just had crackers with some medication over there. So I'll just meet you all after the shower. So here I've had my shower and all. I reached home well and everything was all right. I was just getting worried because it was almost 5 or 6 days that the itching was not stopping, so they just gave me some steroids, and I'm fumbling steroids, and I think I'll feel all right. They gave me little IV. So this was it, and it was a busy, hectic, and a scary day. So here I'm trying to make some upma. This is spicy semolina. Over here I'm trying to make some nice upma over here. The spicy porridge actually. So I'll just put some oil. I've just dry roasted it for 2 or 3 minutes, and it gave me this color. So now I'll just add some oil, like half a spoon of oil or 1 spoon. Here I poured some oil. Now I'll let it heat, and I'll add some mustard seeds. So the oil is heated well. I'll just add some mustard seeds over here. So they are just cracking up now. Then I'll add some onions and some green onions which I've chopped over here. These are green onions and some red onions, like 4 or 5 small red onions. Then I have one green chili and some curry leaves. So I'll be adding all this together. There are some which I fried for 2 or 3 minutes. Now I'll add some baby tomatoes and some cilantro which I had frozen. Now I'll add some spices like salt and turmeric powder. So here I've sauteed it and let it sit for some time, and it got cooked well. So now I'll add some water. So the tip of here is, when you take half a cup of rava over here, you need to put double or triple of the water. So I took half a cup. So I'll put 3 times water over here, 3 times more. So I'm measuring over here and putting some. One. So I'll put 3 times. So I've already kept the water for boiling, and I'll just add this full rava in this water, and just make sure that there are no lumps, and keep it on medium to high flame. So here it is trying to cook, and it will absorb all the water, and once all the water is absorbed, you need to cover it and keep it for 5 minutes, and it will get cooked so well. See how nice it looks. Nice yellow color. Looks so good, smells so good, and I'm sure it will taste so good because it has all the Indian spices, cilantro, curry leaves, and mustard seeds. Yum! So here it got cooked so well. See, all the water is absorbed and it looks so good. And this you can find it in any Asian markets or Indian stores. It's called rava, suji rava, and it's so yummy, and you can enjoy and have this as a happy meal early in the morning. This is a filling breakfast, healthy breakfast. And over here I'm put some chai for me. It looks so good. I just want to eat. I'm so hungry. So this is my breakfast. Here's my chai. So here I'm enjoying my breakfast. It's so yum. I was so hungry. This is a very easy breakfast, and it gets cooked fast. You all also enjoy, make it, and share your pictures with me on Instagram and Facebook. Love you all. If you have liked this video, like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll have my breakfast, and you guys enjoy the video. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.